Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to build trust and stay compliant on your Shopify store? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to add and customize policies like privacy, refund, and shipping in just a few clicks. So, why store policies matter? Store policies help customers feel safe. They cover your rules for returns, shipping, privacy, and terms of service. They are also important for payment gateways and legal compliance. Now, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Then click Login. Once you are logged in, click on Settings button from the bottom left. Then scroll down and at the last click Policies tab. Now, this action is where Shopify gives you auto-generated policy templates, but you can edit or paste your own. Click Return and Refund Policy section. Now, enter your return and refund policy. You can generate it by ChatGPT, like go to ChatGPT, then write for Shopify sharply. ChatGPT will generate the refund and return policy. Copy and paste here. Look like that. Then click Publish. Under each policy type like refund, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy, contact information, etc. Click Create from template and review the text, customize it to fit your store. Then click Save. Make sure to add your contact information, return address, and how long refunds take. Now you can also write your own policies. Here's what to include: time frame of refund policies template, like that. Time frame of returns, conditions for refund. You can add your email from here. How to initiate return, who pays for return shipping, etc. Shipping policy template. Processing time, shipping carriers, estimated delivery times, international shipping information, privacy policy template. What information you collect, how it's used, who you share it with. Customer rights. Now go to online store from your dashboard. Then click the navigation tab from the left sidebar. Click the footer menu and our main menu. Click add menu, or you can uh, Go to customize, then footer, add section, then click custom liquid or email sign up, or you can use template from add section, then reach text, and here's add your refund policy, link it to the corresponding policy page, then click save. Most stores but put policy links in the footer for easy access and a cleaner look. Visit your live store, scroll down to bottom to see your policy links. Click each one to verify content and layout. Make sure the text is readable and mobile friendly. Most customers will view from their phones. Shopify automatically links your refund and terms of service during checkout. No manual action is needed, but it's good to double check that they're enabled. Then go to settings from your dashboard. Now go to checkout section, scroll down to legal policies section, and confirm they are active. Update policies if your terms or prices change. Always review templates for legal accuracy. Use AI tools or legal advisors if needed. And that's how to add legal policies to your Shopify store in 2025. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment. Policy ready for a free editable policy template. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.